Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here at Ranch 99 where we're gonna get our ingredients for this recipe. So the real reason why I love coming to this store is this section. Look at all of these weird chips. I mean, what flavor do you think these are? Look at that. Basil flavor. Honey butter chips. Oh my god, I have to try these. I love how everything has like a cute little cartoon character. Isn't that so cute? She has like a little pacifier in her mouth. So many good snacks. I just want to try them all. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm back with all the goodies. And look at, I got this cute little coffee. I mean, look at that straw. Try matching your coffee to your straw like this. When is that ever gonna happen? Okay, so the real reason why I go to Ranch 99 is to get these noodles. They come frozen, and I'm telling you guys, if you guys have never had these frozen noodles, they are unbelievable. They come like this, okay? And these ones are different. These are flat noodles, but I usually get udon. But a lot of the shelves were empty, which was really scary. So I just got these ones. And these are so much more different than like dry noodles or fresh noodles. The texture of these are everything. You guys just have to see it for yourselves. And you're never gonna go back to dry noodles again. Like, you will specifically want these noodles. So I'm gonna wash my produce. I'm gonna boil some water. And then we're gonna make these yaki noodles. What I'm gonna do is, in this pot of water, I'm gonna put some of my bok choy to boil. And then in this water, it's just about ready. I'm gonna put my noodles. Now these noodles, they only take like 2 to 3 minutes. So once your water's boiling, I'm gonna put like maybe, I would say 3 packages. You don't need to defrost them or anything, so. And these two, these are just gonna cook. And on this side, I'm gonna add the ground beef. Just a little bit of oil. This ground beef, I think, is not very lean. I got it from Costco. I think it's like 80% ground beef. So I'm gonna fry this ground beef up. While the ground beef is frying, you can go ahead and make your sauce. So these are all the condiments we have here. If you guys have never tried using dark soy sauce, this makes the most incredible fried rice. Okay, so what we're gonna need for this sauce is gonna be 1 tablespoon of mirin. And this is like a sweet wine vinegar. And then we need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This is really thick. 1, 2. Alright, and then next you're going to 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2.5. And then we're going to need 1/2 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And lastly, we're going to need some brown sugar. This is going to be 2 teaspoons. Alright, give it a little stir. And our sauce is ready to be soaked up by all of these delicious noodles and the vegetables and the ground beef. It's going to be absolutely incredible. So place this to the side. Alright guys, so continue to keep an eye on this ground beef. You don't want it to burn. And then, as you can see, our bok choy is nice and green. So I'm gonna remove it. And this is all ready to go. This is kind of a little, look at that. It shrunk into almost nothing. I think I'm gonna throw a little bit more in there. We can get a lot of greens. And our water is boiling. I'm gonna throw our noodles in. I'm gonna put 3 packets. Woo! Oh my God. Okay, sorry about that. When you live in a small house, it's like, you could never cook on a high heat because the smoke alarm literally thinks there's a fire going on. But no, it's just Isabella in the kitchen. Okay, so keep an eye on your noodles. Look how they come apart like so quickly. Oh, these noodles are so good. Oh, dang it. Now that the ground beef is all cooked up, I'm gonna throw in the mushrooms. Shazam. I didn't use that whole packet. I'm gonna let those cook. Look at these. Super yum. Okay, look how delicious this ground beef looks. All these little like sears of like the ground beef and the mushroom is gonna make this dish just taste much better. It's gonna give it more of like that wow taste. All right, so now that that's done, we're gonna add in all of our bok choy. Look at that. Even just this looks so good. And now I'm gonna be adding my noodles. All that sauce. Ooh, oh my goodness. So yummy. I'm gonna lower the heat a little. Look, yum. All the noodles are soaking up the sauce. We didn't rinse them. Be sure not to rinse your noodles because you want all of that sauce to really soak up. This looks so good. Did you guys see how fast that was? It's important to have everything ready because this comes together. Oh, I didn't even time it. I would say it was like 5 minutes. This was ready in 5 minutes. Like, how quick and easy was that? And that's it. I'm turning off the heat. I almost forgot, guys. You gotta put a little green onions in here when it's finished, just for a little freshness. Look at that, guys. Woo! Every time I make this, I'm like blown away by how quick it's prepared. Ow, that's heavy and it's hot. So, all right, let's serve this up and we're gonna try it. If you guys could smell this, you would just be blown away. You would want to go and buy the ingredients right away and have this for dinner tonight. It is so delicious. Let's serve this so we can try. Oh, the longer this sits, the more the noodles just absorb all of that sauce. Look at that, yummy yum yums. Wow. Talk about faster than takeout. This was more quick than like running over to Panda's or, you know, the restaurant. Wow. For those of you who don't know, yaki, it just means cooked over open flame. And you guys saw how hot that was. I set off almost every smoke detector in my house. That was funny. This looks so crazy. A big mouthful. Look at that. No, I'm not gonna put that big bok choy in my mouth. I'm gonna get a little bit of a smaller bite. Come on. we gotta get a little bit of everything in here. Oh, it smells so good. Mmm. 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 These noodles are so freaking incredible. What the heck? What the heck is going on here? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. I can't stop eating it. Mmm. Mmm. The way the noodles soaks up all that sauce, the noodles are so chewy. They take a while to chew because the texture is incredible. Mm-hmm. The mushrooms we use are shiitake mushrooms. They add a very nice touch. But of course you could use any other vegetable you like zucchini or broccoli. I could eat this all day. It's so good. Oh my gosh, guys, I almost forgot. Should we try some of those chips? Honey butter chip. It says it's made with real honey. And look, it says it's made with French butter. That's hilarious. I don't believe them. I don't believe that. Whoa! This smells, look at the inside. These smell like a buttered croissant. Let's try one. Mmm. Mmm. What the heck? I was not planning on liking these. They're really good. These taste like a buttered croissant. I don't even taste the potato flavor. Uh-oh, they're addicting. These must have MSG inside. That's so weird. I was really not planning on liking these. I just bought them because I knew, I was like, I have to try them to say, I've had, you know, honey butter chips before. No, they don't have MSG. That's a surprise. Oh shoot, I gotta give these away. What? They're almost like barbecue flavor. Like, they don't have the smokiness of barbecue, but they have like that sweet barbecue taste. If you guys are foodies too, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notifications bell because I post new videos every single week. If you guys try this out, leave your comments down below and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.